This is called air layering. It is a method of plant propagation that allows you to generate roots from branches, while it is still attached to the parent plant. Here is your complete A to Z guide to air layering for mature plants, which covers everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, prepare your branch. 2 ring cuts, 3.5 to 4 centimeters apart. Peel off the bark between them. This next step is crucial. You must scrape the exposed wood clean. If you don't, the wound will heal over and no roots will form. Scrape thoroughly for the best chance of rooting. Remember, protect the top edge of the wound, as this is where roots will emerge. Now, take a propagation ball. It's convenient and reusable. Pack it with soft, clean soil. No fertilizer, no bacteria, just soft soil to prevent rot. Lock the ball over the prepared section using the clip. Water it thoroughly the first time, then every 10-15 days. Don't let it dry out. In about 45-50 days, you'll have roots. That depends. Once the roots look healthy, cut the branch about 1 centimeter below the ball. Congratulations! You now have a ready-to-plant tree. This works for most fruit trees and plants, especially in spring. You can give it a try, and I'll put the link for the root balls and the description down below. Thanks for watching.